Hey, how's it going?
Hey, fine. Cool. How are you? Good.
Good, good. How about you? How was your weekend?
Was to be honest, I were working in a Android app all the weekend. Yeah, it's not working actually, but yeah, I spent a lot of time of my weekend doing my Android app.
Oh, cool. So you're doing
Yeah.
PHP, Android, and Ruby, and all over.
Yeah, I well, it's a learning process of many technologies. Uh, I still need to learn a lot of about, for example, REST API, RESTful, because
Hmm.
here in London, everything is asking about those.
Yeah, well, I'm sure you'll figure it out. It's not that complicated.
Well, I need to start learning. Yeah, we need to start learning that. Also, they ask for Node.js,
Node.js,
and
yeah.
Amber.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
guys,
don't.
guys,
Okay,
I already started the recording, so let's do that first, and then we can share.
okay, sure.
Okay, so this is June 9th, 2015. This is the OSRA Scrum. Gabriel, let's start with you. So,
Sure. Uh, well, basically, I change or I try to. Well, I made the pull request of the filters. As you can see, well, there is a problem with the merge.
mhm,
Well, I need to, well, as Christian said, I need to try to doing a rebase, but probably I will have some conflicts that I will need to solve. After that, if you are not, well, basically it's a code review stage, because I think it's everything in there. Um, Basically, that's it.
I see you have the tests.
Hmm.
Do you have the integration test?
Yeah. This is in some places there. That one's very difficult to get, because basically you need to have everything done, but it's in some place in there.
Yeah,
Should
yeah.
be. Basically with that test to run, you need to have everything running, and everything good. It was difficult to achieve, but at the end I get it. Um, on the city original address city was more or less, not well. It wasn't so difficult to get the test,
Mm-hmm.
to get it
Oh
work.
yeah, I remember we talked about it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
do remember, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but at the end, when you figure it out, the relations in the model,
Mm-hmm.
then the tests and everything runs more easily.
Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. So if this is done, then I will start doing some code review, and hopefully
Yeah,
it's all good. Yeah. When you have time, please do the rebase part.
yeah, sure. After we finish with our scrolling
Mm-hmm.
today, yeah, our meeting.
Okay, cool. Aaron, can you go next, please?
Yeah, so I did some integration tests and I saw your comments. I will change it
Oh
now.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Um, so other than that, that's pretty much it. I was gonna ask you what else? So you say here to like I think we should skip factory girl create and use new city name. Why? Uh,
Uh, where is it? Here. So what's factory create doing here? It's creating a sponsor in the database, right?
yeah, because if
And you did that, so you have the city you already created. So
right,
then, yeah, and then you can do, where is it? This. No, sorry. Where is it? Yeah, sorry. So here is the factory goal, create the city, and then you do the select. You can do the select this city because it's
Yeah,
create.
but if I do that, then it tells me that it doesn't exist. It's not an option.
Well, yeah, because if you look here, 1 second. Where is it? Okay, I don't have the application open here, but we can look at the production. 1 second. So, well, new sponsor. So when you don't have anything in the database, you don't have anything here, any city, right?
Right.
That was the problem.
Right.
But if you fill in a new city here, it will create the city,
No,
and
no,
then
but this is not the one that I'm having problems with. It's the one with above that one, the one with city, the one with add new.
yeah, you leave it. You leave this at add new, and just add the city here.
No, yeah, that was a problem because I put in Sigerland, I put in add new, I put this other
No,
one
no,
that.
no, 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 no. Just don't do anything because this is by default add new. You don't have to touch this.
Yeah, but it's a required field, right?
It's only required if you don't have here a new city.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay,
So for the first sponsor, you enter a city here, and then the second sponsor, you just select the same city from the list, the city that's created here. It will appear here in the second sponsor.
oh, okay, okay, okay,
Yeah. So this way we test both of this field.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
because I didn't. Okay, all right.
Mhm. And the other thing I said, one is for first sponsor you select an organization, and the second sponsor you select a branch, because you can't have both of them. This
Yeah,
will not
yeah.
work. Yeah. So you have to select one. So
So I'm having problems with, let's say, like the the routes. Sometimes the routes uh, um because once I create the page, right, I'm supposed to take the user to another page, right? So um I know
yeah.
that some of it is in like it's I think it was navigation um file, but sometimes I tried running the test and it would take me to, let's say, instead of like new HQ sponsor, I would try to save it and put it into HQ sponsor, but it would give me an error because it's not, it won't, I don't know, yeah, that's why I'm not sure about that. Like, is HQ sponsor path,
Well, to get a list of all the paths that are available in our
it,
application, you can write rake routes, right? If you write in the console rake routes,
okay,
then you get a list of all the paths that are available, including these prefixes, and you
okay,
can
okay,
see there if you get them right or wrong.
okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Anything else here?
Um, one, nope.
Okay. So about me, I finally merged the sponsor table sorting for the sponsor index that was here for a long time. This one.
Oh,
Uh,
great.
yeah, and then I just did some code review on these pull requests and looking forward to merge this one.
Okay.
Uh, and we'll see about the other ones. Yeah, yeah. you can remove the work in progress, right? Okay, anything else we have to discuss for the Scrum? Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. There was a message from the client.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they require great news. Okay. So they want, the problem is that so a sponsor has many sponsorships. You can select how many sponsorships a sponsor can have. Where is it? Requested orphan count. Sorry, how many orphans it can sponsor. So you can say, for example, 4, and then you start doing the sponsoring them, right? You can link them to the orphans. But then when you have like 4 sponsorships for this orphan, and you come here to the sponsor and edit this to 2, it will save the new sponsor with request orphans count 2, but
Okay.
the linked orphans remain. So if you have 4 linked orphans for this sponsor and you have request orphan count only 2, it's like a bug, right? So again, what I mean, if we go to an existing sponsor that has this one, for example. See, this one has 5 out of 5 sponsorships. So the sponsor requested 5
Okay.
sponsorships, and he has 5 orphans. If we go here, it has 5 orphans, and requested orphan count 5. But we can go to the edit and edit this to 2. I will not save it because this is the production, but we can save this to 2, and it will update the sponsor, and here it will have 2 requested orphans 2, and it will still have 5 orphans. So this is not normal, right? So what we have to do is add a validation that this number can't be smaller than the number of sponsorships. Do you follow me? Guys? Hello? Can you hear me? Gabriel, Aaron? Okay. I can hear the noise, but I don't hear any of you.
Oh, hello.
Hello, Gabriel.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah, but I lost the communication of the audio.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. I see Aaron didn't respond also. So not sure what's wrong. So did you understand what I'm saying here?
More or less. When you have,
Well,
for example,
let me go. Yeah, sure. Go.
5.
So if I change this to, so this sponsor has requested orphan count 5, right?
Okay.
And if you go here, it has 5 sponsors assigned to it.
Okay. Correct.
Right? And if you go to the edit and change this to 2, so requested orphan count, it will be only 2, and then it will have only 2 here, but the 5 orphans remain. So
what should I do? What we should do?
Please repeat.
I mean, what we need validations that over that field, that if we have 5 orphans, just not take the don't proceed or something like that.
Yeah, exactly. So we have a validation for this value shouldn't be smaller than the actual sponsorships for this.
Exactly. Okay, I see.
So it will not be smaller than this number of orphans.
Yeah, that are already assigned.
Exactly, yeah. So
Yeah, I see.
yeah, so let's create a new task for that. Okay. Let's see how. Let me share the screen. Let's orphan count and then so as an admin, so I can update the first orphan count. I cannot count the value than the number of orphans. Also, by also, I have to see a validation error message. As an admin, so I cannot update the requested orphan count with a value smaller than the number of orphans sponsored by a particular sponsor. I have to see a validation message. How does that sound?
I think it's good. I mean, second on that. I think with the values smaller than the number of orphans already sponsored.
Yeah.
Orphans already sponsored. Well, I just add the word it's good. I mean just add already after orphans just put already
Like this.
already yeah.
Okay, right.
Yeah, okay. What should it be the validation message? Yeah.
Message requested orphan count can be smaller than sponsorships. The number of active this reminds me that if we have an inactive sponsorship, let's see. So here, we can't have. It's on orphan that. Do you know if the sponsorship can be active or inactive?
Sponsorship.
Yeah.
No, not that I remember. No.
Yeah, I don't have the application here. So
I don't remember. No.
I'm only thinking that if the sponsorship is inactive, and then you click activate sponsorship, or sorry, if an orphan is inactive,
Yeah, only orphans. Sponsorship is their relations, but I think you cannot have a sponsorship active or inactive. Let me check of when this run.
Yeah. So what we have to check is when a sponsor has a few orphans that is sponsoring, and one of the orphans you change the status from active to inactive, will it still show here in the currently sponsored orphans?
Okay. Look.
Did you try it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So what happened?
So I'm trying it also. Let's see. Mention orphan. Oh, this is not working. What?
Well, error.
If you want, share your screen so I can see.
No, but I think it's just one error with orphans. No, forget it. I think shouldn't be so difficult to solve. But what was expected?
Yeah, I'm only asking to see if an orphan is, if you change an orphan from active to inactive, it will still show in the sponsorships list.
Ah, well, right now, well, let me try to do that, but it's gonna take a little bit of time because my computer is slow. But well, I am running the server right now. Let me give it some time, some minutes to run
Yeah,
this.
hang on, I'm gonna do it here. I started the user.
Yeah, I mean probably it's gonna be faster in your machine.
Come on. So we have this orphan here that is sponsored. So let's do an inactive. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, edit orphan. What is it? Active, inactive. Update. Ah, okay. Cannot inactivate orphans with active sponsorships. So it's good.
Yeah, yeah, it's great actually.
Yeah, okay.
We
So
don't have to validate it.
yeah, we don't have to worry about that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Aaron's is saying that he can't hear anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I can hear
Oh,
now. It was
ah,
like
Ah, you're back.
5
Okay.
minutes ago, sorry.
Yeah, that's not. What is this? So message is this, and now so that's, I'm not sure it's this. Not smaller than a reminder. Okay, create. So this is not a new feature, sorry. This is not new feature, it's an improvement. Okay, is it a bug? Bug, yeah. Update. Okay, that's there. So this will be changed on the model, and that will affect also the HQ and the active admin. So only the model needs to be changed and the test, and it's all good. Okay, guys. Anything else we have to discuss for the Scrum?
not from me. I just try to run the. I think I have everything done with the merge, but I am running the test suite. If everything's okay, I will merge it later today.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, let me stop the recording.